Hello guys, welcome to Grace's Kitchen. This is Shirley. Today we are talking about some countertop items to cooking of our food. You can see the countertop, the size is the same, and the surface there are the flat, all flat, and another option is hard glue and hard is flat. And if you want the bigger size, you can choose this one because this one the length is the biggest. The length is 1.2 meters. And also back to our items, we can see the ignition is like this. When it working, this part is control for the surface, and the ignition is can well protect our cooking. And if you want to save the meat, you can use this one because this one can make some shape. All the items, the power source is LPG. You can, if you want the natural gas and more information for these items, you can let me know and call. Feel free to contact us. That's all. Thank you.